First open SQL Server Management Studio, then go to Database and go to Security and Login. Create a new login. Select SQL Server Authentication instead of Windows Authentication. Create login name SA1 in my case, create your password, and do rest of the settings. Go to Use Mapping. Here we have to provide the database role for the selected database to the user. Now to the Database property, and in Server Security tab, go to Authentication and select SQL Server and Windows Authentication. Press OK and restart your server. Now to the SQL Server configuration, go to Server Network for SQL Express. Open TCP/IP property and make it Enable. Open IP Address tab and enter 1433 in TCP port. Press OK. Now open Named Pipes and Shared Memory, make it Enable too. Now restart the SQL server. Now create a notepad file and change its extension to .udl and create the connection as per parameter we have already set in SQL Login. Connection will be OK. To connect the database over TCP/IP and TCP before the server name and COM1433 at the end of server name, you are good to go.